Welcome to Ziggy's Kitchen.
What we done today, we made a Muttar Pilau, which is very easy to make.
Make this at home and let us know what you think of it as well.
I cut up 2 onions thin. I put that in a pan, and I'm just gonna put the oil in it. I have to cook this till it gets brownish. Normally people cook the rice, they're so brown. I don't like that. When I do mine, you watch, it's gonna be beautiful. It's not gonna be really, really dark. And I will give you the taste of it. And Liba, you will see, you will say, even already your husband saying something about my cooking now. I don't know, probably next time he asks you to cook the same thing again, I don't know if you'll be able to do it or not. Oh,
Inshallah.
That's why I want you to learn.
I have to learn.
You have to learn. The chawal jana, 7 cups of rice, soak them in there about half an hour. Just over half an hour in cold water. Make sure you always use a cold water for this. And by the time the masalas get done, rice will be ready to cook. It's going to take not even a half an hour, inshallah. Ye maine tomato chote chote kaat diye. I'm going to put the chilies in as well. You know how to cut them. A lot of people, they don't use this green chilies, but I love green chilies in rice. I wish if I could make you taste this, but you're too far away from us. Look at these onions now, Laiba, they're nearly done. Ginger and garlic. I grated this, as you can see. We're gonna put this in there.
How much ginger and how much garlic?
That was this much of ginger and 2 bowls of garlic. Now, I mix everything. My onion is done now, Laiba. I just put the garlic and ginger in there. I'm just gonna cook that for about 5 minutes till it changes color. Then we can put the tomatoes in. Well, what we're gonna do now, we put the tomatoes and green chilies in there. Cinnamon, just this big. All right. This is a black pepper, longs, and lachis, big lachi. We got 7 cups of rice. We put 7 spoons of salt in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're gonna put the cumin in. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to remember this, Laiba. Yeah. 1 spoon of black pepper in it. I love black pepper.
Yes, so do I.
You can use this, right, in the rice, but I don't use it because I just put the green peas in there. This is a Chinese salt, right? You don't have to put that in there, but I just put a little bit in there. Not too much, just that much.
What does Chinese salt?
Tastes nice. You know when you're cooking dal, sabzi, you put that in there, it tastes like a meat. This is almost done now. Now all these done, right, I'm just going to put some water in there. See, look at the color. Color coming up.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Rice का मसाला हो गया है. अभी हम इसमें ना पानी डालेंगे.
कितना पानी डाल रहे हो?
We had 7 cups of rice and we're gonna put 14 cups of water in there. अगर आपने चावल ज़्यादा देर भिगोया ना, 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा अगर किया है, तो इस सूरत में आप ऐसा करोगे कि 14 कप नहीं डालो, आप 12 कप डालो. तो इंशाल्लाह आपका रिजल्ट देखना कैसा आता है. As you can see, now it's boiling. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the rice in there. Then we can put the green peas in there, because you put the green peas last, because they're already cooked. The water is boiling now. What I'm gonna do, I'll put the rice in there. Here we go. There we are. Bas. The water is boiled now, almost till the end, nearly done. Now we're gonna put the green peas in there. Now we're gonna put it for dum. This is a really low heat, right? After about 15 minutes, we will show you what they look like. Dum mean, look at this, I put a clean cloth on there. You can do it with a foil, but I run out of my foil today. And we leave this on for 20 minutes. And you can see it now, and when we open it again, after 20 minutes, you'll see.
Yeah, so do you always do 20 minutes?
No, not 20 minutes. Depends how much rice you are cooking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, here we are.
Making like 3 cups.
Then it's probably less than 15 minutes. But you still have to do the dum.
Why do you put the cloth on?
Steam will cook the rice.
Yeah.
If anything, if not been cooked properly. So on the lowest flame, we leave it there for 20 minutes, and after that it's done.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Best pilau you ever seen.
Okay guys, now we are going to try the Muttar Pilau that we made. And we've also done a separate video on the lamb curry. We're going to try both of them together and tell you what we think. So we have some of the food here and let's try it and then we'll rate it 1 out of 10. Chicken. I'll teach you together. There you are.
Laiba, you have to tell me because I cooked it.
It's true.
With your help.
You literally did, guys.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I've been waiting to try this since he's been cooking it and I've been like so excited. Right, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
It's so nice. I don't know what she's going to think.
Honestly, that's so good.
That tastes so nice. Because I didn't want to say it because before Laiba.
This literally tastes better than a restaurant one. Honestly. As you can tell, we're very much enjoying it because we're being quiet for one time in our life. Otherwise, we're never quiet. Did you?
अभी ये rice देखो ना, एक दाना अलग है.
Such में बहुत मजे का बना है.
I'm glad that you liked it.
I did.
You know that all the effort I done right. I'm so tired, but I don't feel tired of it when I look at you.
Thanks, man.
And the food is so nice.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
I think the food was so nice. I'll be very happy to hear from you guys what you think of it. I made a lot of effort to it, but it's very easy, as I said to you.
It literally was. It was so easy.
Yeah.
Make it at home. Try it and see what you think of it as well. Also, let us know in the comments what you want us to make next. We do know Ramadan is coming up and a few of you asked for Ramadan recipes.
We will give you that. No problem, inshallah, soon.
Inshallah, yeah, definitely.
Thank you very much for watching us and I'll see you next time.